In this video, I'll be showing you how you copy and paste formats on Microsoft Word, and also how you can copy and paste and also cut and paste as well. So everything around the copy and paste, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this on Microsoft Word. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So let's say we have this format here and we want to add it to every word at the start of every sentence or every paragraph here. So I have this format. What I do is I tap on it and then I highlight it. When you double tap, you highlight it. When you triple, you select every sentence. So double tap on it to highlight it. And you come to this section here. You see Format, Painter, tap on that. Good. Now I come to the click here, which is the first sentence of the paragraph. I tap on the click. It should, paste or take that same format here too as well. Let's do another one again for you guys to grasp it. So now let's scroll to the bottom. Good. Now I double tap the click to select it. And now I come here again to Format Painter, and then I tap on the change here. Change also takes it. So now let's move to the copy and paste and the cut. So let's say I want to copy this thing here, which is provide. I'll come to this section here to tap on the copy, and then I come here. Let's say I want to paste the provide here. So Ctrl+V to paste it, or you can select it and Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to paste it once again. And now let's cut it. So we select something here, 1, 2, good. And now we tap on the cut. Cut is going to remove the word you, try to copy. Yes. And now let's come here and try to paste it. So a Ctrl+V is going to do it. And that's it. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on Microsoft Word. You can check them out. That's it. Peace.